Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Samsung J2. Charge it to at least 50% and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, make a quick backup of photos, contacts, and app data so you can restore if something goes wrong. Next, check storage and free up at least 2 GB by uninstalling large unused apps. This prevents download or install failures. After those steps, open Settings so you can initiate the system check immediately. You now proceed to Settings, then Software Update, and tap Download Updates manually. This checks for official OTA releases. Make sure the phone stays on Wi-Fi and plugged in because interruptions can corrupt the update. If an update appears, read the notes, accept any permissions, and allow the download to finish. This can take several minutes. Once the package is ready, tap Install and let the device reboot. Do not press buttons or remove the battery while the system installs. After the reboot, check settings about phone to confirm the new Android version. You should see the updated build number. Next, reconnect to Wi-Fi, open Play Store and update apps so they match the system changes, then restore any backed up data if needed. If the update failed or the phone is unstable, try clearing system cache, booting into safe mode, or using Samsung's Smart Switch on a PC for a wired reinstallation. If issues persist, consider contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.